What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode 2 of Big's Garage. Hope you checked out the first one, and I'm glad to have you back. Hope you have a snack, maybe some tea, because today we are lubing the linkages. Yes, that is exactly what we are doing, as it is past midnight, and what else am I to do? So first, this cover comes off, 3 screws right there, and then the linkages come apart, and there are nuts. I think there's 2 or 3 of them. I'm really not sure. I've never been there before. This is in fact my first time, as it is yours. And we are trying to get rid of that play. Now, usually that happens because the nuts that I just told you about become loose from all the riding, and they need a little help. So we're gonna help them out. So join me on yet another episode of how we suffer through trying to fix this bike. Let's go. Hey, so guys, honestly, another PIA job. So, removing that metal plate was no big deal, easy peasy. But then there's these small clips that I'm gonna show you. All right. These right here, all right? And they're inserted inside where that ball joint is, so obviously they'll come apart. So this had so much gunk and grease on it that even finding them with a pick tool was pretty difficult. But eventually, I removed the first one. Kind of bent a little bit, but I'll just bend it back. And the second one is surprisingly easier to come off. And then I just dislodged and separated that linkage. So next, we're gonna take, I think, a 5mm and remove that whole assembly so we could clean it and lube it up. Let's see how it goes. I hope you guys see something in there. Should start off with just a regular old Bounty. Some water on that, just to get kind of the overall dirt off. They're just dirty. I mean, I could imagine this has been on the road. The bike has now over 40,000 miles, and Honestly, I'm just finding little maintenance items to do here and there. I've maintained most of the bike before our very first trip. That is when we went to Georgia. And that's when all the big maintenance items took place, such as when I got the bike, the brake lines were toast. They were old rubber brake lines, and they needed to go. So I replaced them with stainless steel. And the clutch was toast as well, so I needed to do the clutch. And if you know anything about clutches and old BMWs, especially K-bikes, then you already know just how fun that clutch job was. Look at that, like new. Didn't even know that was in there. Good thing I got grease. Got enough grease for everybody. So I wanted to check just how tight these were. These definitely have not moved a millimeter as they came off from factory. They are tight. Even if I try, nothing, which is good. Less work for me to do, but I was honestly kind of hoping they were loose at least a little bit so I could tighten them up, but that happens and that is okay. I got some grease here, submarine grease, so honestly, you shouldn't be too picky about what you use on this. Just if it's waterproof, water resistant, then that is pretty good. Just gonna put some in there. Honestly, I'm just gonna scoop it up. Scoop it up, not too much. And then we will take some for our little shaft here. Yes. This was actually loose when I was taking this out. What's up, everybody? We are finally done with Vic's Garage episode 2. I'm super excited. I'm wearing different clothes because it took about a week for that small pin to come in that I bent last time to slide into that looped up shifter linkage that is held by this plate. The outcome is amazing. My shifts are so much smoother. It is no longer wobbly and it feels safer to ride, to be able to switch gears exactly when you want to with no seconds or moments left behind. We will now shoot the camera downwards and you'll see just how crisp every shift is. This is a true BMW machine. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed Vic's Garage episode 1, if you enjoyed the adventure videos that we've posted on this motorcycle, then I invite you to please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Perhaps there are other LT owners out there that would want to jump in on the fun. Thank you.